now we found these free wobble board. And if you're not familiar with a wobble board, this is so it can help you balance, and I don't know what else it does. I haven't used it, but
wait a minute, how can you not fall? Hold on, it's a glare. Okay, look at this, you guys.
You practice balancing.
You know what? To be honest with you, I'll be on the ground the minute I step on this thing.
No.
How can you balance off?
You practice it. You practice, and it not only helps you be able to be more sturdy, but it strengthens your legs and exercises your legs. So.
All right, so are you gonna get it? Because I want to see. I'm gonna film you on this ball.
I'm gonna get it. I don't know if it's gonna be gotten to use it.
We got two of them, you guys. We got two, and comment below if you want my husband to be standing on this crazy looking balancing ball thing. All right, you guys. So we're gonna get two of these. We're gonna sell one, and one is for my husband. And you guys, he's gonna get on this balancing board looking thing, and I'm gonna film it to see if he can balance.
Why do you feel like I can't do this?
That looks hard.
All right, so we'll see if we add that into the video at the end here.
All right, so again, you guys, this is the wobble board, and you can kind of see what it looks like. It improves your balance. It strengthens the core, hips, legs, and ankles. You guys, I might try to use this because I need to work out. Let me show you guys. All right, there you guys go. Let me show you the back. Okay, here's the lady doing it. So I don't know, I think I'm still gonna fall, but I'm gonna try it out, you guys.
I'm pretty sure you can do this one on the side.
Which one on the side? I don't know. I don't think I could do that. I'd be on the ground. Okay, so here's what it looks like. There's the information. Let me show you guys the UPC, and while my husband is looking for the UPC, this also comes with a guide. There you guys go. And let's see how much the wobble board is. You guys ready? Look at this. $4. It was $14.96. They put it to $9. You guys can see right here. And then they lowered it to $4. So this is a great gift for $4. And for $4, I would love to see this one on it. And him almost falling, because
seems like you can use it for a frisbee.
Oh, that was super weak. All right, so we're gonna show you what else we got. Okay, can you hold this? We found these Shock Doctor Sport, you guys, and these are the compression shorts with the cup. This is youth size, and these things are actually expensive. I remember my son started baseball, and I had to buy him one of these, and I had to go to that sports store. What's it called? Sports Academy. It was so expensive, you guys. I had to pay like $25 to $30 for this. Let me show you the price. So it went from $18.94 to only $3.50. And again, this comes with the shorts and the cup. Here's the UPC, and they have quite a few. They have that one. They also have this blue one, and they're all ringing up $3.50. So the first one I showed you, was a youth. All right. The second one is actually an adult. So they have youth and adult. This one's an adult. These are the shorts, the American flag shorts. I'm gonna get these for you. And then there's the cup, $3.50. Here's the UPC. And I'll show you one more. Here's an adult large, you guys. Looks like they're all American flag. Again, $3.50. There's a UPC. So that's a great price, you guys, because these things are so expensive. Let's see. We also got these pancakes. That's a good name. Pancakes, you guys. You chill it, stick it, and you go. That's what it looks like. The cold pack that sticks. Oh, it sticks to you.
Yeah.
Re-stickable up to 100 plus times. Oh, this is nice. It's a large. You guys can see the price. Matter of fact, it says $9.88 here, and it says $5. You guys, we scanned it, and it's only coming up $2. That's what it looks like, and it's nice because it sticks on you. There's the UPC. And again, you guys can never trust Walmart's clearance tags because sometimes they're wrong. So you got to make sure you guys scan it with the Walmart app right here. And these are coming up too. Here is an Ace mild tennis elbow strap. I don't know what this is for. I don't play no sports.
It's a tennis strap.
Oh, okay, one strap. You guys know I don't play no sports. All right, that's what it looks like. Let me show you the UPC. Only $2.50, you guys. So if that's something you guys are looking for. All right, we found this too, you guys. This is a Rollins. So this is like the helmet that we found. This is the Rollins fielder's mask. What's this for? Baseball?
Yeah, so the fielders, the kids that are playing in the outfield so they don't get hit with a ball in their face.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you guys, we found this. That's what it looks like. You guys can see that it went from $19.64 to $4.50. Let me see if I can find a UPC for you. There you guys go. Oh, there it is. And again, this one is the Rollins fielder's mask. So it looks like a bunch of baseball, like sports, a bunch of exercise. Again, you guys are going down in price in the clearance. And my husband has another item that we found, and I have no clue what it is.
So I had no clue what it is either until I just read it right now. But apparently it's for boats. It protects your boat engine during storage and trailering. Whatever that means.
Trailering?
Trailering. I don't know. Anyway, whatever it is. So a lot of times you don't really have to know what something is. A lot of times you just have to know that it sells. So this is an item that we get for something like that. So whatever it is, if you know what it is or what it's used for, comment below, let us know. But let me show you the UPCs if you can find it in your area.
And the only thing we know, you guys, is it has to do with boats. That's it.
Yeah. So this is a $30 item here at Walmart. And check this out. The price is down to only $6. Unbeatable price.
And you guys, this is what it is. Atwood adjustable transom saver.
And again, this is an item that if you want to test your luck and see what selling is like and get your foot in the water, is that what it's how you say it?
Your feet in the water.
Feet in the water, whatever. So if you want to get your feet wet and test out online sales, this item is gonna fly. This is probably gonna sell today.
And we end up getting 3, you guys. So again, comment below if you guys can tell us exactly what this is used for, because I have no clue. It looks like a giant pair of scissors.
What?
I don't know. Look, it looked like the handles of the scissors right here. I don't know what this is. So comment below, you guys.
All right, thanks again for watching another Angel on the Go video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification so you can get the deals first when we drop these videos.
Only on Angel on the Go. Good luck, you guys, with your finds.